A question that I get asked a lot is, how do I modify my supered package once I've added in my HubSpot resources? So you have a package, you've added in some HubSpot resources, and you're kind of sitting there going, you know what, I don't need XYZ resource in it. How do I modify my supered package? So good news is you can, and I'm going to show you how. So you're going to come into the package. I'm going to use this package right here. You're going to open it. And from the open, you are going to go to build package. So you can come to where it says in the menu bar here, build package, or the button. Both take you into the same spot. As we can see here, I have a couple of HubSpot resources in here, and I want to remove this custom object. So to do that, I'm going to select HubSpot resources. What it's going to do is it's going to pop us into this window here of all of the accounts that I have access to. And if I'm simply just removing an asset, it does not matter which one I pop into, or if I'm removing and re-adding it because I've made updates to the object, I would want to select the original account that had that object in it where I made those changes. So I'm going to pop into an account here, and as we can see over in the package builder in Sidekick, I have the option to remove that asset. Now that asset's been removed, so I'm going to come back over into Supered. I'm going to refresh the page, and I'm going to see that it has now moved into deleted resources. So it has been removed from the package. If I needed to re-add it, I would simply go back into that portal, hit re-add, and re-add that asset into the package.